Hi everyone, my name is Cher. I'm a respiratory therapist with Lifespan Home Medical. I'm here today to show some further instructions on how to assemble a cough assist in the case that you are ordered that from the hospital. Okay, so again, my name is Cher, respiratory therapist. And basically, I'm gonna put this down here. We have our cough assist machine and we have a power cord. So pretty simple. Power cord is going to go directly in the back here. We plug that in. Now this is going to be some very basic tutorial because the machine's already going to be set by the respiratory therapist. So we can turn it on here with this button. And all you're going to worry about doing after you receive the machine is pressing this button right here, and this says therapy. So when you go to use it, it's already on, it's already set for you. You're just going to press this button right here for therapy. Okay, so therapy, when you're all finished with your particular therapy, you're going to turn it off. But before we go any further, I'm just going to show you how we're going to plug everything together. First, we want to put the filter on here. It only goes on one way, so that goes like that. Then we are going to put our tubing on here, right there. We plug this in, and it might be a little tough because of the way that the tubing is very rigid, but it will eventually wiggle on there, and it did. So we have a little piece here that is going to connect onto the mask. This is the mask here. We're going to plug this piece in here so that it allows the tubing to connect onto the adapter. So same thing. You got to really wiggle this on here and it will go on. So basically you're going to hold this up to the face and you're going to get a really good seal as best as you can, and then press that button there like I instructed that says therapy, and it will allow you to get the therapy you need depending on the quantity of the cycles is all dependent on the doctor, how often they want you to do that and how frequently every day they would like you to do that as well. So we will inform you of whatever the doctor has ordered, but just so you know, it's a very simple assembly. If you have any further questions, please give us a call back at 401-335-9000. Thank you.